Hey everybody, Dave Cook, D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. And we are here in Woodstock, Illinois. And we're going to go in and we're going to take a look at a job site, potential job site, of removing wallpaper, painting a ceiling, drywall repairs, and installing new wallpaper. So let's take a peek at what we're looking at, and then we'll come back and we'll share what something like this runs. So you can have an idea if you're budgeting this for your home, business, what have you. All right, so here's the bathroom. They started taking it apart, another guy, so it is a paper-backed paper. It seems like there's primer there. So once pull the paper, hot water or diff to get this off. The light fixture itself is being replaced, so there'll be a temporary light there. We did the option on the ceiling, so you can kind of see where the nail pops are, and some fixes were made, but there's still a couple more nail pops. We'll have to put screws in there, prime it, paint it, and then when the paper comes off, like you can see how it's lifting, so I don't think it's gonna be a big deal. Paper comes off, backing comes off, wash the walls, primer, and then new install. All right, so there's a video of the project. Customer actually accepted it. So it's kind of gonna depend. We gave them about $1,300. It could be 15. Part of it depends on the wallpaper. We just don't know exactly what's going to be there. It seemed to come off pretty easy in a lot of different areas. There's a lot of nail pops on the ceiling. You saw, I think there was 8 of them, and I saw some more on the wall. So I'm not sure what's going to happen once we strip the wallpaper. So if you have a wall, if you have a powder room like that, so it's 3 by 6, stripping wallpaper, fixing, painting, ceiling, installing new. Just figure about $1,400 is a good average starting number, and then after that it depends on how much more damage there is. But it gives you a good ballpark to figure. It could be less, part of it depends on the paper, but it's a good average number. If you want to go $1,200 to $1,600 for a complete ballpark, you're all set. Got questions on stripping wallpaper, painting, let us know. Not only are we here in Woodstock, primarily we are in Huntley, Crystal Lake, Algonquin, Lake in the Hills, Lakewood, great areas that we service. So if you're in those areas, other areas of Fox Valley, Chicagoland area, love to see how we can help you. Love the space you're in with wallpaper installation, stripping, and painting. Don't forget cabinet painting also. All right, you guys have a great day. Bye.